Good morning, penguins and octopuses, and welcome to Monday's maths lesson. It's now time for maths. So just before we start, I would like to quickly go over these symbols here. Now, when we think about these, we think about our Addy the alligator and the fact that he likes to eat the greatest number. So this symbol here, I can imagine him with eyes and teeth. And remember, he is really, really greedy. And if I think about that when I'm looking at the symbol, that will help me realise which number he wants to eat. Now, we never want to draw teeth or eyes on him because that's not the mathematical symbol. This is the mathematical symbol. But now, if I've got 3 here, I know that the number over here has to be bigger. So I can put the greater number here, 103. There we go. Now over here, you can see the symbol is round the other way and it's open here, it's open wide, it's ready to eat the greatest number. So on this side, I can put 86 and then over here, I could put 68. So 3 is less than 103, 86 is greater than 68. And then I've got my equals, and we know what that means. It's the balance. It means whatever's on this side is exactly the same as on this side. So it doesn't matter what the number is, how big, how small, it's going to be the same on both sides and it's going to balance. Right then, today you are all, you can all have a go at the worksheets for today, but I've added some extra ones for peaches and strawberries. So if you would rather do these ones, that's absolutely fine. And what you've got are some sheets with butterflies on, and you can see on each wing, it's got some coins. So over here, I've got a 5p piece, and here I've got a 10p piece. And what I need to do is I'm going to be adding the symbol. So what do I know? Well, I know that that is smaller than that. So I would rather have 10p than 5p. So on the body here, I'm just going to draw the correct symbol. 5p is less than 10p. Look, he's eating the 10p because that's the greater number. Let's have a look at another one. Now this one's a little bit trickier because we're going to have to do some adding up here. So let's just have a look at my butterfly. So over here, I can see I've got 50p, 50p. But over here, I've got a 20 and a 20. Now remember, don't panic if you think, oh, I don't know what 20 or 20 is, because just think about it in terms of what you already know. So we know that 2 and 2 is 4. So we know 20 and 20 is going to be 40. So over here, I've got 50 and over here, I've got 40. So which one is he going to want to eat today? He's going to want to eat that one over there. 50 is greater than 40. Right, so I think it's still valuable for strawberries to watch the video and peaches and then make a decision about which worksheets you would like to do. Right, let's go across to today's video.
Hello there, we're comparing money today, and our get ready questions are asking, do these have the same value? On the left hand side we have a 10p and a pound coin, and on the right hand side we have a pound coin, a 10p and 2 1p coins. Pause the video and have a think, do these have the same value? The first one does not. A pound coin and a 10p on the left hand side, a pound coin and a 10p on the right hand side, plus 2 1p. So they don't have the same value. Our second one, we have a £5 note on the left hand side and a £5 note on the right hand side. Then we're left with a £5 note and 5 £1 coins, which do have the same value. Therefore, the left hand side and the right hand side have the same value. The third one, we're looking at the pounds first. £6 is greater than £4. Therefore, the two amounts don't have the same value. Here are Ron and Rosie's money boxes. Ron's is bigger, isn't it? Who do you think has more money? Usually, when we ask who has more money, what we mean is who has the greatest value of money. I think it's going to be Ron, because his money box is bigger. Who do you think has the greatest value of money? Maybe it could be Rosie. She might have lots of pound coins or £2 coins or even some notes. Maybe they've got an equal value of money. Let's have a look, shall we? They tip the money out of their money boxes. Ah, Ron does have more coins. Here's Tiny. Ron has more. Rosie doesn't agree with you, Tiny. Pause the video here and have a think. Who has the greater value of coins?
Okay, so have a good look. See what you can see. Start off by seeing if you can see any pounds. And then have a look at the pence.
Well, we could count Ron's coins, but actually we know that having a greater number of coins doesn't necessarily mean you have the greater value of coins. It's the value that's important. That's right, Rosie. Let's have a look at those valuable coins that Ron has. He has £1 coin. Ah, Rosie has £1 coin. That's the same on both sides. What else does Ron have? 2 10pences, that's 20 pence, and 2 5pences, that's 10 pence, so 30 pence altogether, and then some copper coins, 30 something pence. Whereas Rosie has a £2 coin. £2 is worth more in value than 30 something pence. So Rosie has a greater value of coins. That's right, Tiny. Ron has a note this time. Does that mean he has a greater value of money? That's right, Rosie. It's the value that's important. Pause the video and have a think. Who has the greater value of money?
Okay, so the same thing again. Look for the pounds on both sides. Add them up and then add up the pence and see who has the most money. So the value, the highest value of coins.
Let's have a look, shall we? Ron has the £5 note, but Rosie has 2 £2 coins and a £1 coin, which is equal in value to Ron's £5 note. Ron has 2 50pences, but Rosie has a £1 coin, which is equal in value to 2 50pences. Ron has 2 5pences and a 10pence, which is 20 pence, and Rosie has a 20 pence coin. They're equal in value. And Rosie has got a 2 pence coin left over. Rosie has the greater value of coins. And now it's your turn. Have a go at questions 1 to 5 on the worksheet. And remember, we're looking for things that are the same on both sides of the symbol.
Okay, so as always, don't feel you have to stay with me for this part. If you're feeling confident, go off and have a go on your own and then come back to look at the end of the video. Right then, questions 1 to 5. Let's have a little look. So it says here, number 1, which is the greatest amount of money in each pair? So what we're looking at is those two and comparing those two, these two, comparing these two, and these two. Now, again, what I would do is circle all of the pounds first, especially on these ones where you've got a mixture of pounds and pence, and the same with these notes here. And what you have to do is you have to tick your answer, so the one with the greatest amount. So have a look at this one and have a look at this one and tick which one you think is the greatest amount. And then do the same with this one. I think those first two are quite easy. I'm going to help you with this one, and then you're going to have a go at this one on your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. So my pounds and my pence are separate. Now here I can see a 50 and then I've got £1 here. So that is 51 pounds, and then I've got some pence left over. Over here I've got a 20 and a 20, which makes 40, and one more, which makes 41 pounds. Now already I can see that this one is the greater amount, so I can tick it. But I've got 60 pence there and 60 pence there. So they've both got an equal amount of pence, but this one over here has more pounds. So I'm going to tick that one. Okay, have a go at those. Next, Alex and Amir each have some money. Alex has 23p. Draw the money Alex could have. Okay, I think that's quite easy. I think you'll be able to do that. The only thing I'm going to say is remember there is no such thing as 3p. So you're going to have to make 3 pence using some of those copper coins. Now this time Amir has 23 pounds. Oh, look, difference. There's the pence, there's the pounds. So think about how he could make 23 pounds and draw it in here. And then who has the most money? And how do you know? So would you rather have 23 pence or 23 pounds, and why? Right, question 3. Ava has this money. Teddy has the same amount of pounds as Ava, but fewer pence. How much money could Teddy have? Right, let's have a look at what we know here. He has the same amount of pounds. So I'm going to look here at the pounds, and I can see I've got £5 here and a £1 and a £1. So 5, 6, 7 pounds. Teddy has the same amount of pounds as Eva. There we go. £7, same amount, but he has fewer pence. So that's less than. So he needs to have less than 3 pence. So you can put your amount in here. Okay, question 4. We're going to be using those symbols that we've just gone over. And to do that, you're going to have to be doing some adding up. Again, look at your pounds, look at your pence. So let's do the first one together. Here are my pounds on this side, and here are my pounds on this side. Oh, look, they're the same. They've both got £3. On this side, I've got some 10p's. 10, 20, 30, 40. So on this side, I've got £3 and 40 pence. On this side, I've got £3 and I've got a 20p and a 20p. 2 and 2 is 4, 20 and 20 is 40. So on this side, I've got £3 and 40 pence. So they're exactly the same. So which symbol am I going to need to use? I'm going to need to use equals because they're the same. This amount and this amount are the same. It doesn't matter that there's more coins over here. They're the same value. Right, I'd like you to have a go at these. I will separate the pounds for you if you need that help. There we go. And again, don't be worried by this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Do that first. And once you know what that is, you know what 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is. Okay. Next question. You can always pause this video whenever you need to. Don't forget. Draw money to make this statement correct. Oh, look, we've got this symbol here. So we know whatever goes over here has got to be a greater amount than over here. So the first thing we need to do is work out how much money is over here. These are my pounds, these are my pence. Count up the pounds, count up the pence, and then you can draw anything over here, the pounds, the notes, the pence, everything, as long as it's a greater amount than over here. So have a go at that for me as well. And then when you're ready, unpause and we will go back to the video.
Rosie and Ron are talking about the money they have saved in their bank accounts. Ron has £40 and 12 pence saved in his bank. Rosie has £28 and 88 pence saved in her bank. If we're comparing, who has the greater value of money in their bank? That's right. We need to look at the pounds. The pounds are the most valuable thing here. The pence just comes afterwards if the pounds are the same. Ron has £40, which is greater than Rosie's £28. Therefore, Ron has a greater value of money than Rosie. Oh, this time Ron has £12 and 12 pence and Rosie has £12 and 88 pence. Let's look at the pounds first. Oh, they're the same. In this case, we need to compare the pence. Ron has 12 pence and Rosie has 88 pence. We're only comparing the pence because the pounds are the same. 88 pence is greater than 12 pence. So when we read it left to right, we can say Ron has less than Rosie. Have a go at question 6 on the worksheet.
Okay, let's have a look at question 6. Right. It says, write less than, greater than, or equal to compare the amounts. So we've got to do just what he's done there with Ron and Rosie. So have a look at the pounds first and then the pence. Let's do the first one together and then you can have a go at the other ones on your own. So I've got £3 on this side and I've got £3 on this side. So they're the same here. So now I need to look at the pence. Over here, I've got 20p and over here, I've got 27p. So this side has got more money. This is the side that Addy the alligator would want to eat. So that is the symbol that we need. £3.20 is less than £3.27. Have a go at those ones and then come back to the video.
Tommy and Alex are also talking about how much money they have saved in the bank. Alex says that she's got £9 and 99 pence. Ah, and we can already see that the greater than symbol has been used. So the amount that Tommy has must be greater than the amount that Alex has. What could Tommy's amount be? Well, I suppose it's anything greater than £9 and 99 pence. So it could be £10, or it could be £11, or it could be £100. Ah, it is £10 and 0 pence. That's only 1 pence more than Alex has, but it's still greater. Dora and Jack are having a similar conversation. Oh, Jack's got £9 and 99 pence saved in his bank too. Lots of people have got £9 and 99 pence, haven't they? Ah, but this time we can see the less than symbol. So if we read this from left to right, Dora must have less than £9 and 99 pence. What could Dora have? Well, anything that's less than £9 and 99 pence. She could have £9 and 98 pence, or £9 and 97 pence, or £4, or £0. Let's see what she's got. £2.75. That's less than £9.99. Bearing this in mind, have a go at question 7 on the worksheet.
Okay. Oh. Let's have a look then at question 7. Complete these statements. So let's have a look at what we've got over here. £7.21, and then we've got this symbol here. Which way is Addy the alligator trying to eat? That's it, he's trying to eat this number here. So this is greater than whatever goes over here. So as long as your amount that you put over here is less than £7.21, that will be okay. So you can do that one for me. This one here, we've got this symbol. It's the same symbol as up here, but this time we know what's on this side. £7.21. Think about which side Addy the alligator is trying to eat. And then that will tell you if over here you need to have a greater number or a less number. And then finally, we have this symbol. So hopefully you will know just what to do next. Well done. Lots of thinking today. Have a good go at those, and I'll see you for maths tomorrow.